So in this video, I'll show you how to fetch data from uh, Firebase database. So in this case, I previous video show you how to do add input values to Firebase database. So in this video, I will show how to fetch data from Firebase database. So to fetch data from database, you have to first of all you have to refer to as database reference. In this case, let us switch to my refers equal to database.get reference. There is switch registration table. So dot add value event listener. There is switch class. This class has two methods. That is switch on data change and on cancelled. So there is a data snapshot the variable for data snapshot child data snapshot is get children. The string id child dot get key that is the key. So string name equal to data snapshot, that is which is data snapshot dot child, it is a sibling id dot child name means this name dot get value. In previous tutorial, whenever I insert value, it is set value, and in this value, whenever we fetch value from database, it will be get value function. In previous section, we have set value. We have shown a set value. In this case, it will be get value. So in get value, string dot is a class. And next string address equal to data snapshot dot child, that is id dot child address. Address means this address dot get value string dot class. So it would actually from data snapshot, that is a data snapshot dot child, that is such a id, this id dot child name or address dot get value. That is the actual query of fetching database values from Firebase database. So in this way, and this is the text view, this is the text view, last text view. So this text view is your set text name plus space plus address and name. So whenever we hit on fetch data, so it will be retrieve data from Firebase database. As this, I have show you the text view. So in this case, we will show you just last database value, this case xn, not all the database values. To fetch all the database from database and to show on the screen, you have to write either grid view or list view. So in this case, I am not using that view. I just show you the how to fetch database from Firebase database. So in this case, I have used the text view to fetch the data. It will be fetching only the last data, as it is not all the text value. For all the for showing all the text value, you have to create grid view or list view to show all the views. And if not fetching database from the database, the on fail cancel function will be invoked, and in this case I am showing just fail. That means do not able to fetch user data from Firebase database. So in this way, I have shown you how to insert data in Firebase database and how to retrieve data from Firebase database in your Android App Studio. So thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe to our channel for getting update on my videos. Or if any comments, please comment to our YouTube. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you very much. This tutorial is for now. Okay, thank you. We'll see you in next tutorial. Thank you.